All right. On my practice paper here, I'm going to make a 4-inch wide rectangle and then a 3-inch one. Okay. The 4-inch one is going to be Conte Crayon only. And the 3-inch one is going to have charcoal to graphite to Conte. And I'm leaving this big piece right here open because this is where my tool is going to go. So this is where we all should be today. Conte crayons here. I have a white, I've got a reddish brown, the brown, and the black. Now we're basically looking at how they blend together here. There will be a point in which we're going to be looking at using the tone paper as that middle tone. But right now, it's not necessarily a value scale that we're making, but we're making a blending. So I'm going to start with the white. And I'm going to do a little rectangle of the white. But I'm going to leave myself some space on the side so that I have room to blend together. So I'm gonna have the white here. I'm gonna move over a little bit and put that reddish brown here. Then I'll do brown. And then a little bit of the black. So I have some space in between there. That's going to give me some room to blend together here in a minute. All right. I'm going to take the white now and I'm going to lighten up my pressure. So I'm talking about pressure here. If I take my finger and I press down on my skin, I can kind of see a white mark come underneath it because I'm pressing a little bit harder. When I lighten up my pressure, I can't see the mark on my skin. So it's almost like tickling the surface of the skin there. We're going to be tickling the surface of the paper here. So nice and light. Kind of going towards that reddish brown color. So it's a little bit of a value scale on there right now is what we see. So a little bit more pigment to a little bit less. I'm going to take my reddish brown here and I'm going to go towards the white, lightening up my pressure here to let it blend in together. And then back the other way. And then I can get the white on top. And this kind of shows me what it looks like when those colors are blended together. I'm going to continue and do the same thing now with the reddish brown going towards the brown and then the brown back into the reddish brown. So nice and light pressure, kind of blending those colors together. I can see part of the paper through here. And then I'll get my brown, lighten that pressure, and go into that reddish brown. And then I'll go back with my reddish brown and kind of give it a little bit more. And then I'll end with the brown and the black together today. More pressure when I want that color a little bit more of a solid color, and lighten up when it comes towards the other one.